Now, there's an appeal this evening from the St. Anne Police to citizens to stop recording motor vehicle crashes and offer assistance instead. The appeal follows a fatal crash along the Landover Main Road in the parish this morning. As Sandy Williams reports, a Guardman Company bus was involved in the crash.
This was the scene at a section of the Landover Main Road in St. Anne about 7 o'clock Friday morning. Firefighters attempting to remove a man entangled between a Guardsman Limited Company bus and a Toyota Wish motorcar. To the side of the road, injured passengers, most of them female employees of Guardsman Limited.
The Wish was heading in an easterly direction towards St. Anne's Bay when the driver apparently lost control of the vehicle, serving a part of the Toyota IS, resulting in a collision.
The police have theorized the speeding contributed to the crash. 11 people sustained serious injuries and were hospitalized. The driver of the Toyota Wish motorcar, who was trapped in the vehicle, died at the scene. He has been identified as Walwayne Smith, a fisherman from Stairtown in the parish.
Everybody turned up with their video. Everybody did their video. Come spin around the car. To go back to the hospital, nobody now.
Head of the St. Anne Police Division, Senior Superintendent of Police Dwight Powell, is also concerned about the growing practice of people recording tragic incidents such as this latest crash.
People are not out there to help anymore, but seemingly just trying to get something in social media. We're going to ask people to be more concerned about those and to ensure that we protect the integrity of these scenes and the interests of the persons that are involved in these crashes.
St. Anne is among the parishes that have seen an increase in road fatalities since the start of the year.
We have now recorded some 33 fatal collisions, resulting in 41 deaths. This is a significant increase over last year, when at the same time we saw some 23 traffic fatal collision resulting in 25 deaths.
And as the festive season approaches, SSP Powell is cautioning citizens to use the road responsibly.
The police cannot be everywhere at the same time policing the indiscipline of our motorists. It is absolutely necessary that I use this forum to advise our motorists to obey the rules of the road. The life that you save may be your very own. So we ask you to be very cautious whilst traversing our roadway.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.